Hi, everyone. Today's question is a little weird, but it does come up because it happens and it's confusing. Every now and then you'll get a receipt that prints in your Etsy shop that has a foreign currency attached to it, and the prices are all in this foreign currency. It's not your account, it's the customer's account. So if the customer has their currency set up in that currency in their account, that's how the receipts are going to print out. So don't worry about it too much. And this can happen if you sell internationally. It can also happen if the customer in the same country as you happens to have their currency set up the wrong way, or they've chosen a different currency to use. It is going to print out that way. And it doesn't seem to be consistent, but it does happen sometimes. So don't worry about it too much. It's really something on the customer's end that we don't have much control over. And the amounts are still going to be the same. It's going to be based on the exchange rate and stuff, but that's the reason that happens. So if that does happen, don't worry about it. It's just that the customer has something set up in their account that is a specific way, and Etsy is responding to that. So leave me any questions, and I will talk to you later.